Hi, in this video I will show how to use app for creating Xlsx files from CSV. On my computer I have a CSV file, let me show it to you. Let's open it with Notepad. You can see it's information about US states, state name, state code, region, subregion, all states from Alabama to Wyoming here, and I can also open it into CSV viewer I have. It's a free app, it's just showing what is inside CSV and allow it to export to different formats as well. So what I need to convert this CSV file to Excel format, new Excel, Xlsx format without having installed Excel on my computer. So I will download and install app from my website. To do this, I will go on the website, type CSV into search, and then go to comma separated to any, click on CSV to Xlsx and click on download button to start downloading process. I also, this application capable to run from command line. I will, there is a, on this page we are looking, there is a how to run from command line. If you run from command line, it automatically converts and file you need, and you can schedule it from you can apply like for schedule, and if you need for some service, you can do it. Just shell this app and it will convert. You can see the archive has been downloaded on my computer. I'll click on downloaded archive, double click on MSI to start installation, click on more info here. I'm getting the screen from Microsoft because I'm not registered publisher with Microsoft. You can see publisher and unknown. I'll just click run anyway to start installation. Click on next install, click on yes, and click on finish on final screen. And you can see application has been installed on my computer. I have a new shortcut on my desktop. Now I can close this and double click on shortcut to launch app. Conversion is simple 3-step process. In first step I have to select CSV files I want to convert. If I can convert multiple CSV files if I choose to, I just have to select them here. And so let's find our US states CSV, select it, click on open. If I add multiple files, there will be like multiple spreadsheets inside Excel. So right now just click next step. If first row of the input file has column names, I will leave it check. So it would highlight first row as a header into a result Excel file. Then click next, and on final step just click run to start conversion. And it's asking me for name and location of the file. This name and location is okay, just click save. And you can see file has been saved. Let's go and see file. I don't have Excel on my computer, I have Excel mobile, but it's capable of showing what is inside Excel, but not allowing me to change it in any way or resize header, so it will be I cannot do it, change anything. But you can see CSV has been converted to Excel, and we have all states from Alabama to Wyoming here. Basically that's it. If you're interested in seeing more videos about conversion to or from Excel files, please consider subscribing to my channel. And if you have any questions, please leave them in comments below. Thank you.